Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to start selling on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Then go to selling section at the bottom side of your screen and press this blue button, list an item, to start basically your first listing. So here you need to type in what you are selling. So be as specific as possible. For example, I will write headphones. I don't know. For example, this one. And now eBay will suggest categories based on what you entered right here. So choose the most accurate one. For example, I have match with this ones, so I have the same headphones and I want to sell them. So tap on it, and now you want to select the condition of your item. So for example, my headphones are new, and here is the listing summary. So first of all, you need to upload clear and high quality photos of the item. So use natural lighting and show multiple angles, including any flaws or labels. And if there are some tiny details, you can use zoom. Next, here in the title section, you need to write a detailed title. So you need to include the brand, model, size, color, whatever a buyer might search for. So then in the so category is okay. Condition of your item. So here are some item specifics, so you can change something if there are some changes. And here in the description section, you need to write your description. Description should be honest, specific, and detailed. So mention the condition, features, and anything else that helps the buyer feel confident about the product. So basically, description is very important part of your listing. So then set the price of your item. You can choose buy it now option or auction. So buy it now is basically a fixed price, and auction is the function if you want people to bid for your item. And you can also enable offers to your buyers that will allow people to negotiate about the price. Of course, if you're open to negotiating. And here, enter the minimum offer amount for the item, or you can choose don't allow offers. But I recommend offering. So this is about the pricing, some preferences, and shipping, of course. So you need to choose your shipping options, your shipping option. So here enter the package details. So you can also use the function I don't know the package details. So here, or maybe if you know, you can fill it, and then you will have a ship and service option. And here you can choose the shipping option that will suit you the best. So here are many options to choose from. Simply mark it like this. And also shipping cost. This is the amount, how much you will charge the buyer. So enter here, and also you can offer free shipping. But if not, then don't do that. And also you can enable the function ship internationally, and again enter package details and choose ship and service. And what in the very end, review your listing, make sure everything looks good, and when you are ready to publish your listing, scroll down and press this blue button, list your item. So when you press this button, your listing will be now live, and you are officially selling on eBay right from your phone. So that's basically how you can start selling on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.